If you want to customize the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can simply go to Settings. Then in the settings we need to find and go to Wallpaper and Style, and then tap on the lock screen that you can see on the left side. And now we can make some customization. So for instance, we can tap on the clock in order to change the font, size, style, and so on and so forth. We can also add widgets. So over here we can tap on add widgets text in order to find different apps that are supported in the lock screen. So let's say we're gonna choose clock, maybe not clock because we already have it added, so maybe battery. And then we have battery status with circles. So let's say we can add this one. As you can see, it works pretty well. Furthermore, we can also edit those shortcuts that we have at the bottom in the corners. So we can tap here in order to switch to something else, like for instance the flashlight, and the camera can be switched to, for instance, the do not disturb mode, as an example. We have some additional options over here at the bottom, but they are more related to the wallpaper itself. So for instance, if you press suggest, then the device will create some sort of edit. As you can see, we have different clock now suggested. We can swipe to the right side in order to find even more options. So if we don't like those suggestions, we can ask the device to create new suggestions over here. And this is how it looks like. If you like it, then we can press apply. And that's pretty much it. In addition to that, we can edit the frame over here and apply an effect to the wallpaper. And that's all. Once you are done with editing, press done in the top right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!